Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a step-by-step guide on how to buy Bitcoin on MoonPay in 2025. So to get started with a quick beginner guide on how to buy Bitcoin. So the first thing to do is just step one is to create or open a MoonPay account. So from there, sign up using the app or the web. Then after that, complete your identity verification, which is your KYC, usually just your email, your photo ID, and your selfie. Then on step two, you have to select Bitcoin. So choose Bitcoin from the list of cryptocurrency list, then enter the amount and the wallet address. So choose how much of BTC you want to buy, which is the minimum of 20. Then paste the wallet address of your wallet. So if it's your first time, MoonPay can automatically create a wallet for you. Then once that is done, choose the payment method. You can use your bank, you can use your bank card, you can use your Apple Card, your Google Pay, you can use your bank transfer. Then you can also use the the P2P in Nigeria just to purchase. Then after that, confirm the payment, review and accept MoonPay's terms and condition. Then complete the purchase. So you get an email confirmation, and also you can track the transaction using the app history. Then once that is done, BTC will be sent to your provided wallet, mostly arrives in a minute, though delay can happen within a low network fee. And that's it. Find the video helpful. If you did it, turn off the share button and subscribe for more. Thanks.